shark, doo 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 doo. Mommy shark, doo 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 doo. Oh yes. That's hold on. We don't we don't eat the booty of the banana. You know the little yeah. We don't eat the booty part of the banana. So eat your banana, baby. All right. So today is going to be a short, sweet video just talking about emojis. Now, you have probably noticed, especially in the Dada classroom, you other teachers, other platforms, VIP Kid, Go Go Kid, Magic Ears. Do your kids use emojis in the chat box? Hold on, we're gonna get to it. Do your kids use emojis in the chat box? They do it all the time for me. They use those emojis. And I was like, you know what? I want to use emojis in the chat box. So Dada doesn't have like a drop down box of emojis that we can use in the chat box. But kids like emojis. And in some instances, it helps. It really does. Especially when you're TPRing it up, it helps. And I always like to, use emojis. And it can also be a reward system. Depending on the age of the child, you can use it as a reward system to where they can get an emoji, then they have to guess what it is. Okay. I'll show you how. You can even copy an emoji and try to use it in the Dada classroom. You can put a text box on the screen. So let me show you how to do that. You're like, what? Copy and paste emojis? Up. How do you cover your mouth? How do we cover our mouth when we cough? There you go. So I use these emojis in my classroom. I use this one. Like, good job. Yes. Oh. Oh. Shock. Oh. Let me see you do the face. Do it. No, do this one. There we go. Now they know what these means. What does this mean, Jude?
Sad.
Good. What is this one?
Cry.
Cry. And what's this one?
Happy.
Yes.
Mad.
Let me see your mad face. Let me see your mad face. Urgh. Okay. Let me see your happy face. Yay! What is this one?
Kiss.
See, I didn't even know he knew that one. Let me see your kissy face. He's 3, you guys. I didn't even know he knew the kiss face.
What is this?
Okay, that's like cool. I'm so cool.
I'm so cute.
Cool.
Cool.
Yeah, let me see your face looking cool. Let me see. That's how you look cool? Okay, you guys. So let me show you. Let me get to the point. Here we go. I'm going to take you to the internet. So, I just got done teaching in my Dada class. So, here we go.
What's that? What's that, Mommy? Show me.
We're going to...
Mommy, show me your smile.
Now, I'm going to go to Google. Hold on, Jude. Now, just type in this. Look, copy. I had already looked for it. Copy and paste emojis, right? Now, look. Click on this. You see this? I actually saved this web page in my bookmarks. I saved it. If you want to like copy and paste a whole bunch of them and save them in a document, then hey, that's up to you. You can do that so you don't have to keep this extra tab open. So whatever you want to do, if you want to, put words by them, create things with them, blow them up, do what you want to do. But look, I just cover your mouth. Like if you want to copy and paste, you just highlight it, copy, just left click. You left click on it, and then I can just really just open. So yeah, there you go. Just copy. You can copy and paste and then put them in the chat box. Just add them right on into the chat box. So copy whatever you want, copy, and then paste it into the chat box when you're in class. Now, I have not tried this on Cambly yet, but I'm going to try it in Cambly Kids and see if it works in Cambly Kids. But it definitely works in the Dada chat box. I have tried it and it has worked for me. So try it and let me know how it works for you. How you can copy and paste emojis in the chat box. All right. So, like I said, short and sweet. You want to say bye, Jude?
Yeah.
Okay.
Bye.
Let's say TTFN.
T-T-N.
You got to say ta-ta for now.
Ta-ta for now.
Now let's cover the camera. Ready? Cover the camera. Cover the camera.